Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you guys choose to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. So as you can see from the title of this video, this is going to be cleaning with my baby. My little boy Jacob will be staying with me for this whole video. I have a doctor's appointment today, so I am in a little bit of a hurry, and I did not have I will not be able to clean during his nap time, since his nap time is going to be when we are out. So he is going to be with me for this video. So we are just starting off in the living room. As you can see, I plumped up my pillows, and these were feather pillows. So I did have to take some feathers out that were already coming out. I love these kind of pillows, but I really do hate that the feathers come out. And sometimes they do poke you, and well, that's no fun. So I am just going to go ahead and put things back where they belong before I start vacuuming.
If I'm kidding, then you are so cold, and you wear my dirty sweatshirt with your favorite logo. Your heart is warm, but why I still feel so cold. And I know that you were right, you're only one that I want.
Now that I am finished vacuuming, I'm going to go ahead and clear off my side tables so that I can polish those.
You sit in front of me on mother's sofa, and I ask myself how quickly we've become so far. I heard you crying on the bathroom floor, and I know that I was wrong. You said, please wait, just hold it.
So if you are one of those YouTube moms that I love to watch, and you can clean with your hair perfectly down and perfectly curled, then snaps to you guys, because y'all look fabulous when you're cleaning your house. And as you can see, I had to tie my hair back yet again. Every time I start these videos, I try and have my hair down, because I really do love the way my hair looks when it's straight and down. But obviously it was getting in the way. I kept having to flip my hair, and so I'm just going to stop trying to clean with my hair down and just tie it up immediately. As you can see, I am just Swiffering my floor. It has been a few weeks since I've used my O-Cedar mop, and I really did want to use that mop today, but like I said earlier, we are in a bit of a time crunch. I do have a doctor's appointment today, so I had to go with what was quicker, and Swiffering is always a faster option. Now we are in the dining room, and I am just opening the window for some extra light in here. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you would know that the china cabinet used to be in front of this window, and I'm so glad that I moved it against the wall where it originally stood, so now I can open the window and let all the natural light in. And of course, I have to give my man his little kisses while I am cleaning and make sure that he has some toys to play with. Now, as you can see, I do have baby boy's car seat by the table. That is not normally placed there. Like I said earlier, we do have somewhere to go in about an hour or so. Normally that car seat is in a closet. Just wanted to let you know that that is not where that always sits.
Answer if I ask. Do you really wanna go?
And same thing with this scale. My husband had to take me and Ash, our two labs, to the doctor, and he wanted to get their weight. For some reason, I think it was for the heartworm medication. But anywho, he wanted to get their weight, so that is why that was out there. But of course, we do not normally have a scale in the dining room.
If you don't love me anymore, he's trying to buy your heart, he's trying to sell your soul. I swear that this is my last time, and this is my last song I wrote to you, my girl. So you were moving from downtown, please don't forget your fucking crown. And I found fed up with your lies, I'm tired of loving you, I'm gone. I'm tired of loving you, I'm gone. I don't mind if you don't love me, I don't.
And last but not least, it is time to clean the kitchen. I'm just gonna move this hamper to the bedroom where it belongs and get cleaning in the sink, as well as the countertops and the floor. I don't know why it takes Jacob dropping the pacifier about 3 or 4 times before I remember that I can put it on these holder clasps so that when he spits them out, they don't fall on the floor. I have, I think, 4 of those things, and I always forget to use them.
Gave me the letter, I guess it was July. You said we'll be better, but I don't know why. I should be so lonely when I close my eyes. Imagined you're mine.
Normally, I would allow the dishes that I hand wash to air dry on the counter, but since we were in a hurry, I wanted to get everything done and put away.
Sometimes I feel tired of my
To clean the sink, I am using my Lysol all-purpose spray in the lemon scent, and I really do like this spray because it does a good job cleaning, but like I've said in previous videos, the scent is just way too strong for me. So I'm going to limit just using this Lysol spray to cleaning the sinks and using my favorite method lavender spray for the counters and the stove.
just wasting my nights without you behind. And now it is better, like you used to say. I find these old letters with a heart round my name. I see it so clearly.
So around this time, my little man started getting a little bit sleepy. I really did not want him to go to sleep during this time. I wanted to try and have him take his nap while we were at the doctor's office. But of course, you cannot force a little baby to stay awake, and you have to go by his schedule. So after I put him back in his bouncer, I ended up having to take him to his bassinet maybe not even 10 minutes later. So I wanted to say thank you to my friend Sheila because she pointed out to me that where I had my camera position in my previous video, the light coming in from the dining room window was washing out some of the footage. You could still see what I was doing, but it was pretty darn bright with the natural light coming in. So with her pointing that out, I decided to move the camera to where it is now, and I think it looks a lot better. So if any of you guys have any tips for camera positioning or anything in regards to my videos, please go ahead and let me know, and I will gladly take any constructive criticism that you guys have to offer. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and show you my kitchen, living room, and dining room all nice and clean. I hope this video gave you guys some good cleaning motivation and you cleaned along with me. If you guys are not already subscribed, please do so, and I will see you guys back in a couple of days in a new video. Bye!